Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Quick update here because Litecoin did enter our support area that we talked about. I don't know if we made a video yesterday or the day before, but we defined this support range or trend reversal area between $84.80 and $87.90 based on the assumption that we are here in a three-wave structure, A wave, B wave, and now the C wave. Good to see that it reacted already to the 50% retracement level here at 87.89 very accurately, and it's now already moved how much off the top of the box. We're looking at nearly a 10% increase. So what I'm watching for here is either a direct breakout. That would be the case if this was the count, that the overall Elliott Wave triangle with the E wave already finished on the 24th of May. This already then completed the wave 4. Or, and that's my primary count because it looks a bit better, but you know, if it breaks a certain level, it's just going to go. In both scenarios, we expected higher anyway. So either here in this last wave of the D wave or already in the breakout, at least the condition was to hold the 84.80 level. So these are the two scenarios. So either here now going directly or putting a high in place in this D wave of the triangle and then coming down in an E wave to finish off the fourth wave and then going to the upside. Yeah. At the moment, it certainly is up. Short-term trend is up. It made a higher low and we can measure the targets now. So we take the length of the A wave here, we go to the low of the B wave, and then we can look at a target. So, I mean, the $100 mark is certainly going to be a very important target. It's sort of a psychological level. I'm not sure if it's going to get there. Along the way, we've got here 98.33. That is the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension, a very common target for a C wave. Above that, we've got the 1.236 extension at $100.84. So somewhere there, round about the $100 mark, could be a target. Another way of measuring target for the D wave is we take the length of the C wave, we take the length of the B wave and then check that, compare that. And here we've got also the $99.14 level, the 61.8 extension as a possible target. These are just levels of interest, very common levels. Yeah. What is very important to understand is that should price break above the B wave high, and we talk here about $103.50, if price breaks above that level, the triangle already is broken to the upside. And overall, just so in case you've missed the overall count in the previous videos, this is one, and again, long-term Litecoin is unfortunately not in a good situation, but this can be traded, of course, as long as it holds. So we have here a situation, wave 1 to the upside, that was in September 22, wave 2 to the downside in November, wave 3 to the upside with a peak in February. And all of this is now, because it's so choppy, a triangle. Yeah, and would then ideally, and the condition is, the larger, you know, the condition for this triangle in itself, that it's still a valid triangle and doesn't get invalidated, is that price holds above 65.77. That means if we do something like that, it would invalidate the triangle. Yeah, it would be something different, but not a triangle. So to make this count work as it is, we now need to make lower highs and higher lows, or certainly avoid to make lower lows, and then ideally break to the upside to complete this 5-wave pattern with this last wave to the upside. And just to give you an orientation where that 5th wave could go, what we can do, we can take the length of waves 1 to the end of 3, go to the low of the wave 4. And again, I have no defined low for the 4th wave. So I just take the last low. Maybe this was the wave 4 low. If not, it will make a higher low afterwards, in an E wave, if the E wave isn't finished yet. And then common targets here, 103.79, the 61.8 extension, sort of roughly, I would just roughly keep that area in mind. We will be able to specify that a little bit further as we go along and as the sub waves develop. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.